Hello everyone, the markets have closed. It's 4:58 p.m. right now, and let's look at the indicator performance for today, which is 22nd of February. As you can see, this is a Bank Nifty 5-minute chart. We got the markets opened with a gap down. We got a buy signal here around 2 p.m. at 37,200 levels, which went up right till here at 37,638, giving us a 3 to 400 points profit. Now let's look at the equity. This is a LNT chart. For equity, the time frame is 3 minutes. As you can see, we got our first buy signal in LNT at 10:24. It moved up till here, and then we got a sell signal here, but this signal was not traded, was not executed. Why? Because the stop loss candle, previous candle, the stop loss candle is very small. When you buy our indicator, you will get a strategy video how to trade. In that you will learn. Then again we got a buy signal here around 157. Again it went up till here, not bad. Now Sun Pharma, for Sun Pharma we got a signal here at 2 p.m.